Yeah, hi all, quick video. So I made up this this new hose here. So this end here and that end there, I wrote down that they go to the hard lines on the car for the, I believe, probably for the vacuum. Air flows this way, so obviously blow down that end of the tube, air does come through this way. Obviously if you blow through this end of the tube, your finger over there, air doesn't go anywhere. So I just want to confirm, that's all, that this piece goes on this direction. So I know it goes on to that socket just in there, which is on the back of the inlet manifold, it looks like. And I believe it goes this way, the short piece going to this part of the chassis, and the longer piece with the valve going that way. But mainly I want to make sure as well that that's right, and of course that I'm very sure that this valve is around the right way, but that the air does indeed flow from that side into the valve, and obviously this way, kind of around the car, that kind of gist. So I guess maybe from here, you know, it gives a vacuum out this way, around the car, and back round. I don't know if that's how it works, but that's the way I want to sort of double check that that's right. I'm pretty sure that it is right in terms of where I took it off and made the new hoses, but I want to double check in case, because it's probably a very, very important piece. Thank you. Cheers.